Welcome to our Ivation H2O water softener FAQ video. If you have any questions about your water softener, you are likely to find your answer right here. Let's get started and tell you everything you need to know about the Ivation H2O water softener. What is a water softener, and how does it work? A water softener is a device that removes minerals like calcium and magnesium from hard water using a process called ion exchange, which replaces those minerals with sodium or potassium ions. Why do I need a water softener? A water softener can prevent scale buildup in pipes and appliances, improve soap and detergent efficiency, and enhance the overall quality of your water. How do I know if I have hard water? Signs of hard water include soap scum buildup, spots on dishes, reduced soap lathering, dry skin and hair, and appliance inefficiency. You can also use a water test kit to measure the hardness level. What size water softener do I need? The size depends on your household's water usage and the hardness level of your water. For example, a 32,000 grain water softener is usually adequate for households of 3 to 5 persons, while a 40,000 grain softener is usually adequate for households of 4 to 8 persons. What are the differences between salt-based and salt-free water softeners? Salt-based softeners use ion exchange to physically remove minerals, while salt-free systems condition water by altering mineral structure, reducing scale without removing the minerals. How much does a water softener cost? Costs vary widely based on type, size, and features. Initial prices can range from a few $100s to several $1,000s, plus installation and ongoing maintenance costs. What maintenance is required for a water softener? Maintenance typically includes adding salt to the brine tank for salt-based systems, cleaning the tank periodically, and occasionally replacing parts like the resin bed or filters. It is recommended that resin bed cleaner is added every 4 to 6 months to remove any mineral buildup from the resin beads inside the softener. Cleaning the venturi assembly is also recommended, which is a simple process that most homeowners can take care of on their own. Can a water softener improve my skin and hair health? Yes, soft water can lead to healthier skin and hair by improving moisture absorption and reducing soap residue, which can cause dryness and irritation. Where should I install a water softener in my home? It's typically installed where the water supply enters your home to ensure all water used inside is treated. However, specific placements can depend on your home's layout and plumbing system. How long does the resin in a water softener last? The lifespan of resin in a water softener can vary depending on several factors, including the quality of the resin, the hardness of the water being treated, the amount of water used, and how well the system is maintained. On average, the resin in a water softener should last between 10 to 15 years before it needs to be replaced. However, there are several conditions including high chlorine levels, frequent regeneration cycles, and poor maintenance that can shorten this lifespan. To maximize the lifespan of your water softener's resin, it's important to use a pre-filter to remove chlorine and other contaminants from the water, ensure the softener is correctly sized for your household to prevent excessive regeneration cycles, and regularly check and maintain the system according to the manufacturer's instructions, including adding the right type and amount of salt. If you notice a decrease in water softening efficiency, or if the system regenerates more frequently without a corresponding increase in water usage, it might be time to check the resin. Some signs, like hardness breakthroughs or changes in water quality, can indicate the resin needs to be replaced sooner than the average lifespan. Does a water softener add salt to my water? Yes. A traditional salt-based water softener adds a small amount of sodium to your water to replace the calcium and magnesium ions from the hard water to make it soft water. Salt-based water softeners do this using a process called ion exchange. During this process, hard water containing calcium and magnesium ions flows through a resin bed inside the softener. The resin beads are coated with sodium or potassium ions. As hard water passes through, the resin beads exchange their sodium ions for calcium and magnesium ions, effectively softening the water. The amount of sodium added to the water depends on the hardness of the incoming water. The harder the water, the more calcium and magnesium ions there are to be exchanged, and consequently, more sodium ions are released into the water. However, the amount of sodium added is relatively small, especially when compared to the amount of sodium found in the average diet. With the sodium addition used to soften water, there are health considerations to keep in mind. For most people, the sodium added by a water softener is not a significant health concern. However, Individuals on a very low sodium diet or with certain health conditions such as hypertension or cardiovascular disease may need to consider the additional sodium intake. For those concerned about sodium levels, options include using potassium chloride, bypassing drinking water, or using the reverse osmosis system. In summary, while a salt-based water softener does add a small amount of sodium to your water, the impact on your overall sodium intake is typically minimal. If sodium intake is a concern, there are alternatives and solutions to mitigate the added sodium from softened water. Thank you for viewing our Ivation H2O Water Softener FAQ video. For more complex problems or if you need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact Ivation H2O customer support by calling 1-866-849-3049 or emailing us at info@myivation.com. We're here to ensure you fully understand your water softening system. See you next time.